This bass like to be right by those rocks. Trying to keep it out of the rocks and getting stuck. Just keep working this area. Keeping my rod tip up to keep it just above, just out of the reach of the bottom. I thought something was biting at it. This way. Oh, there we go. We got him. We got him. It's a small one, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Nice little bass. Thank you, little fella. Oh, he tore that bait up. He was hungry. First cast over on this side. So, let's see if we can repeat that. There we go. There we go. Another one. Nice one. Oh, hold on, hold on. Hold on, little fella. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Nice bass. There we go. Nice. Look at there, guys. And we're just fishing in a little bayou. It's a little bayou bass. Urban bayou fishing. That's what we do. That's what we do. And I think he broke me off. Yes, he did. That's okay. I got another one. I'm just wondering. We put the wacky rig on there and see what happens.